Every summer, I like to keep my desserts as simple as possible. One great option to avoid using your oven is to grill some fruit. Today, we are grilling up some fresh local nectarines and topping them with whipped coconut cream. To make this recipe from scratch, follow the instructions I've included in the bottom right corner. Another great time-saving option is Gailey's Real Coconut Whipped Cream, which I'll be using today. First, you'll want to preheat your grill to medium heat. Next, cut 6 ripe nectarines in half and remove the pit. Brush the cut side with vegetable oil. Place nectarines on the grill cut side down for about 4 to 6 minutes, or until they are warm and softened. This is the perfect go-to recipe for when your fruit is ripe or even a little overripe. To avoid wasting food, keep your fridge, freezer, and pantry organized by keeping things neat and visible, and by using the first in, first out principle. To assemble, place nectarines cut side up on a plate and top with your coconut whipped cream. I love using Gailey's Real Coconut Whipped Cream for this recipe because it has a delicious, sweet taste and comes dairy-free. To finish these off, sprinkle with shredded coconut and garnish with fresh mint. Best enjoyed out on the patio with friends. Make sure to visit OntarioTenderFruit.ca for more delicious recipes.